top of the table clash between title rivals Manchester City and Liverpool was an EPL classic in terms of the quality of football played. Must have been great entertainment for the neutrals. But for this clash, the Maverick was no neutral. Home game at Anfield, Liverpool needed to beat Manchester City. We created the chances, but we never took them. Opportunity lost. So all the attention now turns to the 10 remaining games in the season and 1 point separating Arsenal and Liverpool from Manchester City. We needed that cushion. And also, when you consider that all the marginal calls are still going in favor of Man City, with the referees conspicuously not even giving Liverpool what is due to us, such as this clear penalty in the dying moments. Both the player touched the ball before making contact. Nonsense and highway robbery. If that was against Manchester City, them would have get the penalty. So all these things considered, Liverpool needed to win. And those 2 points might very well come back to haunt us. Yes.